Auxiliary heater. The auxiliary heater service enables setting up the auxiliary heater or ventilation remotely using the Škoda Connect app. This app allows easy and quick setup of the temperature at a desired time. The ventilation can be set up in a similar way. Set the timer and then click either on Start Heating or Start Ventilation. Then confirm the request by entering SPIN. This is to avoid unauthorized use. You can turn off auxiliary heating or ventilation at any time by clicking on the Stop Ventilation or Heating. You can also set regular departure times. Click on the Set Up Your Schedule button. Select the day and time, switch your time schedule on or off, and save it by clicking Save. You can also control the auxiliary heater in the Škoda Connect portal. The procedure is the same as in the app.